Crucifixion reenacted as Jamaicans commemorate Good Friday.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaicans flocked to Halfway Tree in St. Andrew on Good Friday to watch Holy Cross Roman Catholic Church's annual reenactment of Jesus' crucifixion. Jonathan Ononiwu, playing the lead role as Jesus Christ, carried a wooden cross from Winchester Road to the church along Halfway Tree Road in front of a crowd of people who went to witness Christ make his final journey to die for our sins.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.